Okay. In the last episode of the chicken tractor build, you saw that I was lifting a wheel horse frame and transmission above the drive axle of the chicken tractor. I have the majority of the framework complete on the entire build. I'm gonna have to build a door or gate of some type to get in and out. But otherwise, I've proven that it will lift. I've proven that it'll roll. I need to figure out a drive system and I need to figure out a steering system. Now, I thought it would be really cool to have a steering wheel inside the chicken tractor and a throttle and be able to drive it with like a go-kart clutch or the like. But I got thinking I might need reverse. So why not put a wheel horse transmission on? I have all kinds of frames in my little boneyard. So why not just mount the engine to the frame and utilize a wheel horse clutch? All of that makes plenty of sense when I have so many parts available. So I started by lifting the transmission and frame just kind of in a roundabout area. And I thought maybe I would use the brake hub, but that didn't work out. I found a broken 3-bolt wheel horse rear hub and decided I'd spin that and drill and tap it to fit a pulley from a small block Chevy harmonic balancer drive system, just a V-belt pulley. And I had another one that I could drill to the yoke of the Chevy axle. So I've got that, and I think I might end up using the lift linkage from the tractor to be my steering arm. We'll see how that goes. I would really like to be able to operate forward, backward, and steer both directions, all from one operating center. Okay. I don't know what I'm thinking. When I lift the tractor up, the axle pivots and dumps the tractor over. I can't even talk. I'm pretty excited about this one. But I slapped together a belt guard. I have the Honda GX160 pressure washer engine. I have a V-belt. I've got a lockout. This is what's holding this hub from spinning. Famous last words. As always, what can possibly go wrong? Hey, I got a nice shirt on for this today. I dressed up. Got me old Einstein. See how this rolls. What could possibly go wrong? This thing's been sitting for years. I haven't checked the gas in it. It smells like race fuel. Alright. That was a success. I'm gonna throw some fuel in it. I'm still excited about this. It's probably dumb how excited I am. How excited I am. Gosh, it didn't work. I was slipping my belt on my axle pinion. Maybe I'll put some air in the tires. Kind of flat on the bottom. Another thought I've got is maybe I should grab another one of those belts, since both pulleys have 2 grooves I could be utilizing.